Hi, welcome to Moments with Rashai, where we discuss handbags, lifestyle, fashion, and new unboxings. And today we are talking about this beauty right here. It is the Clementine from the Horse, and I absolutely love this bag. I've had her since November of last year, and she has been a workhorse. She has been amazing. And I really love the pebbled leather. I love how the design enables me to dress her up or dress down. Sometimes I actually do dress this bag itself. I put charms on it, and she is stunning. The hack involves the strap. Now, it typically comes, these bags come with either silver or gold hardware. And what we're going to do is we're going to adjust this bag so you don't have this silver hardware. It's pretty simple. What you do is you unhook the strap here, you feed it out of that piece, and then you just unhook it. And it's to the side. Now, with that said, you then take this strap and you just feed it. See how it's got this piece here? You just feed it through. See? You just feed it through like so. And slide this through this end. Put it at the appropriate length for you. And then there you are. So you can wear the bag with either like this with the leather look, or like this with the silver or gold or whatever color hardware that you have. So you have some functionality in here, some play with this strap. And as you know, this strap is amazing on its own. You can wear the bag on your shoulder. You can wear it crossbody. You can even take the strap off altogether and wear her like this. So, like I said, I love this bag. I do have an affiliate code, which I will put in the description. So if you are purchasing your bag for the first time, you do receive a discount. If you order a bag that's over $180, you get free shipping. And the price on this bag right now has gone up. When I bought it initially, I think it was $208. Now it's about $230. But with the discount, it does bring the cost of it down. And with the free shipping, you can't beat it because the quality of this bag is absolutely amazing. So if you have any questions about this purse, if you would like to discuss it, or if you have any hacks that you've discovered since you've been using this bag, please share them down in the comments. Click on like and subscribe because it helps us to grow the channel. And until the next time, take care of yourself. Peace, okay? Bye-bye.